How to hide iPhone notifications. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can simply hide iPhone notifications. It's pretty simple and easy, just follow these simple steps. So first you're gonna do, you need to open up your iPhone settings, and here we look for notifications tab. On that, and here I can see all my applications. I can select one, let it be Canva, and here I set notification settings for this particular application. First of all, I can select where my notifications will be displayed. It can be lock screen, it can be notification center, and it can be banner. And also I can select allow notification or not. I can toggle it off to not get any notifications from this application, or I can toggle it on and select where I prefer to see notifications from this application. It's quite simple, and now you know how to hide iPhone notifications for any application you want. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you.